A little bit of a different video today. Not really a recap, more of like a live trading. First time making one of these videos. I usually don't record when I'm trading. But today I was just like, you know what, let me just go for it. So I bought five TraderFi select accounts. So ICT had posted something about if you use this code, 100% of the, what do you call it? 100% of the commission goes towards like this St. Jude's medical, something like that. So I was like, bro, you know what? That's a good excuse to get some. So I got some and I'm gonna be trying to trade them today. Um the thing with these accounts, I can't pass them in 2 days like I usually do with the other accounts, but because it's a 40% consistency rule, so the most I can make from it is 1.2K. But I mean, that's not really that bad, honestly, if I think about it. So coming into this session, I was honestly looking for some longs off of this hourly gap that we were currently in. We tapped into OTE, but I didn't enter because I was wait for 7. I follow my rules, whatever. I guess that's what I get for following my rules. But I am also leaning bearish. We have a 30-minute gap, 15-minute gap, and we tapping into OTE with a PLC. Um, So I'm low key leaning towards shorts, also towards longs. It's kind of just one of those days where I'm just like, I don't know what to take. Like, I guess I'll take both. Nah, but we'll see. Hopefully, we're able to catch a dub here. I don't know if I want to execute like on here because I usually trade on my phone. Uh, but I mean, for the video, I guess I have to. No, I would want to take some shorts off of this level, but we haven't came up to it yet. For some reason, my phone settings don't align with what I have on my laptop for some reason. But yeah, I would want to take some shorts off of this level here. So if we do end up making a good IFVG, probably take shorts. But I mean, I was leaning bullish, but I guess I couldn't really answer. We'll see what we do. If we get a good reaction off of this, I would take this like 5 micros. I usually do that. I do 5 micros. I set my stop at 20 points, and if this ends up pumping up, then I mean it's really only a $200 loss. But if we do end up rejecting off of it, and then I'll add on, size on, add 5 more micros, like so. I'm really liking this though. I need to see some type of wick rejection. Low-key really liking this. I'm just gonna do 5 micros. Actually no, I'm gonna wait actually. I'll do my full size if we end up making some type of inverse. 30-second, we really don't have anything. I'm liking this reaction though. And then I'll just target a 1 and 2. I'm really only gonna risk like 500 to make like 1200. I'm gonna wait for this candle close though. This 1 minute candle is low key moving quick. But yeah, this is what I was talking about, guys. If I was in with 5 micros, I already been in this trade. But okay, well, come on. I don't want to front run this either. All right. Well, there goes my trade, guys. Well, I guess I'll wait for a pullback. I was gonna enter this trade up here, but kind of waited a little bit too long. Which is my fault. But yeah, we had a good reaction off that POC, off the OTE. I was waiting for like a 30-second inversion, but I'll see. I'll probably enter if we make some type of pullback. Oh, actually, I might not enter that. I don't know, bro. This market is it's really weird, honestly. I'm not liking it too much. 40-point stop. God. Yeah, probably gonna sit out for a minute. I don't really like what I'm seeing. This 5 minute IFVG should help us, but again, my stop loss placement is probably gonna be way too high. I mean, 30 points isn't bad. I can do 5 micros, target 100 points, target these lows. I mean, this was my draw, these PM session lows. We have a minute left to the 5 minute close, so if we do close, Shorts wouldn't be bad, but I guess we will have to wait and see, right? I could look front run it, but it is super risky, so I am gonna wait for the 5 minute close. Hopefully we don't close way too low because that would just suck. We actually have 30 seconds left. Wait, 30 seconds left for this 5 minute close. If we close, then I'm in shorts, targeting the PM lows, 5 micros, and I know 5 micros, like bro, but bro, my stop loss is like 50 points. As soon as we close on that 5 minute, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, we closed. I'm in 5 micros, and my stop loss is at the high of that 5 minutes. So I'm only risking about like 4,400, and I'm only gonna take it to those PM lows. So well, I can really only make 1,200. So I'm just go for the max, which is the 40%. Very clean move off of that 5 minute close. I'm gonna go break even once we take out these lows over here. So once we take out these lows, I'm going break even. A solid move on the 1 minute too. Looks like my break even just hit. So I'm break even on that trade. And I'm just gonna let this run towards these PM lows. Yeah, so PM lows are actually lower than what my target is, but that's the most I can make from the consistency rule. So let's stick to it. If I do get stop break even, I would be looking for a re-entry off of this bearish OTE. Forgot my fib don't work. Let's see how this goes. I wouldn't be too mad with a break even. Um, I know Asia session does like to do that a lot. So hopefully this trade hits. Worst case scenario, we end up getting stop break even, which I wouldn't be mad again. Kind of already used to it, but hopefully this just flushes down to these lows. I'll look here already be, if I would have entered up here like I had told you guys, I would have probably would have already been done with the session. Not gonna lie. Well guys, um bro, I'm so tempted tonight to like move my stop to back to stop loss. But I want to follow my rules as well. But anytime that I'll be here with you guys, anytime that I move my stop loss to break even, I almost always get stopped out break even, and then it runs, especially during Asia. Just for the sake of the video, I'm gonna follow my rules, but I'm almost 100% certain that we're gonna get stop break even, and this is gonna done from there. I'm just scared of OTE, to be honest. I mean, not scared of OTE. I'm scared that we're gonna retrace back up to it because OTE is above where my break even is at. So, if you guys recommend any face cams, let me know in the comments. I've been noticing that some other creators, like Daniel, if you're watching this, bro, you go. Yeah, but I've been noticing their cameras look way better than mine. Mine is kind of. I got mine off the TikTok shop, and to be honest, guys, it was only like $30. So I know the quality probably isn't the best. So if you guys know any other face cams, or you guys recommend any other ones, let me know in the comments. Looks like we're gonna stop break even. But I'm like I wanna move my stop loss back to my stop loss for the sake of the video. I can't. If we close above that 1 minute, then yeah, this trade's cooked, and I'm gonna get stop break even. But I'm really confident that we will dunk towards these PM lows. My TP is at, where was it? I forgot. Oh, it's like not even at that low. It's like right next to it. TP is like right here. Also, guys, I forgot to make a recap for yesterday during Sunday night. Yeah, I did trade, but I got stopped. I got stopped break even, and I got stopped out, and I ended up getting another L. Pretty unfortunate. And I mean, I'm just being transparent. I low key, I am gonna do a recap still because I need to be fully transparent and self accountable with these losses. Because anytime that I do take a loss, I don't even want to make a video on it. I don't know if you guys can relate to that. Um, Not in like the way where you post a video, but just kind of don't want to just talk about it. Just like, just accepting the L. Just kind of don't even want to mention it. But that's how I grow as a trader, mentioning my L's, mentioning the my mistakes and stuff. Um, so I am gonna do that, and it does suck, but that's how I stay profitable. Looks like this trade hopefully is gonna play out. Looks like we're dumping real good. We don't have any other liquidity above us that we can retrace to. Worst case scenario, we make a pullback and we tap into OT again. But I think before that, we might just take out these lows. We have this 5 minute gap that I'm kind of concerned of, but hopefully we hold through. I mean, we dump straight through it. Need about 66 more points. Not bad. Hopefully we just straight flush. Even if we end up pulling back up, it is what it is. All right, we are 25 minutes in. Hopefully we end up flushing again. I don't even want to have this fib, because it just means that we will end up coming up to my break even. So I'm just gonna hope that we flush straight through. This is really our only other objective, and my TP is thankfully it's a little bit above that. So even if we edge it, still secure something off of it. I really wish I would have done that 5 micro thing that I was telling you guys. If I would have entered 5 micros up here, I would have added it on and I would have probably hit. But I mean, it's better for the content, better for you guys to sit here. If I get break even, we're getting some bullish movement. I don't know from what. Wait, we did have that 5 minute that I marked out earlier. Did we tap into it? Oh, we did. Oh no, almost did. I mean, we technically came up to it, wicked into it. Barely though. It's probably what we're rejecting off of, but we don't really have anything else. Hard time frame wise, we do have strong rejection blocks. I'm still confident in my draw though. And then I usually don't even do 5 micros on trades like this. I usually do 10. Um, the reason why my I did 5 was because of just how big my stop loss was. 40 points. If you do the math, that's like $800 stop loss, and I just got these accounts today, so I'm not really trying to risk too much on them. I'm hoping that we don't actually get stopped break even. It should just flush from here. Okay, so we did end up coming up to OT with that small range, which is a good sign. Hopefully from here we just dump, straight dump. Guys, the most boring part about trading is literally just sitting here and watching your trade. Especially for you Asia traders. You guys know how boring it is. Sometimes you even get caught up in the chop if we don't deliver. Worst case scenario, we end up chopping here, and I'm just go hit the gym. Oh, forgot that 5 minute. Then that 5 minute is really rejecting hard. So we have a 5 minute, and we also have a 15 minute rejection block, 30 minute rejection block. Pretty big rejection block on the hard time frame. Hopefully this doesn't cook us. And yeah, looks like we're gonna get stop break even. I'm gonna check um OT of this bullish range. I mean this bearish range. I'm gonna to like 0.5 of it. They have strong rejection off that 5 minute and those rejection blocks, so looks like this trade is gonna get cooked here, but still have faith. Just so annoying how I have to do 5 micros. Probably the last time I do 5 micros. And then I'm so tempted to move my stop loss to my original stop loss, but gotta follow my rules, guys. We do get a strong push down. Probably gonna add 5 micros. Not even gonna lie. We did just tap into VWAP. I wanna move my thing so bad and add size. At the same time, I have to follow my rules. That's the hard part about following my rules. How many points was this? 80 points, bro. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Probably gonna add in here. We did reject off of that VWAP. If we have a strong bearish close, I'm gonna add in 5 micros. I'm not liking that. I was gonna add, but that 1 minute didn't close good. Well, looks like I'm gonna get stopped break even. We're rejecting nice off of this view up here. If we do dump, which hopefully we do, I'm gonna add. It's also point 0.5 of that range. I see a strong bearish close on the 1 minute. I'm not liking how those 1 minutes are closing. I see a strong push down. That 1 minute doesn't even have a wick. Okay, we dump on this 1 minute here. I'm gonna add in. Probably move my stop to that high. I'm not closing good. Closing good. I'm not liking these closes. That 1 minute left, that 5 minute left of doji. All right, you know what, guys? Just for the views, add it in. Um, Stop loss at that high, and I guess my new TP is. Oh dang, it's like way closer now. Okay, my new TP is here then. You know what? I'm gonna just go break even. Break even there. If I get stop break even, I wouldn't even be mad, honestly. That just means this whole trade is just not gonna play out. Which I should have done 10 micros at the beginning, but it is what it is. Hopefully we just flush here. And I'm gonna get stop break even. I'll be low key as my break even. Hold on. I'm not gonna speak too soon. If we dump this low key gonna be a blessing. I'm not gonna touch it. I'm not gonna touch it. If it stops me break even, I'm gonna just go straight to the gym. Not look at the charts till later on in the session. Actually, I'm lying. I'm probably gonna be training at the gym. Uh, but I'm not gonna be taking nothing stupid. Bro, bro. Said I wasn't gonna touch it. Said I wasn't. Oh, come on, just flush down, bro. Flush down. Oh my goodness. 43 minutes for nothing. 43 minutes for nothing. As I look, you want to re-enter. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm liking how these 5 minutes are rejecting off of that view up. Oh, but do I really want to? Oh my gosh. I don't want to go on tilt. I still think that we're gonna short. You know what, guys? I'm just gonna go shorts. Oh my fail. What a horrible, horrible fail. If I get stopped out on this, I'm low-key gonna be mad. Going from 1 to 2, basically. Set my stop at that bearish wick high. I feel was low-key horrendous. None of this would have happened if I just never went break even, guys. So whatever happens here happens. We should just flush down here. Alright guys, I'm gonna go get a water. Hopefully by the time I come back, hopefully this thing's done. So I'll be right back, guys. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. It is what it is. Can't be too mad. Okay. It's looking good. Um, go break even at these lows. Bro, we better hit right now. There's no way this doesn't hit. There's no way that this doesn't flush straight through. Honestly, guys, if I get stop break even, I'm gonna hop off. I'm not even gonna look at the charts. I'm gonna hop off for Asia at least, and then I'm probably gonna look for something during New York. So, dang, this lighting's low. Bro, this camera low-key kind of buns. But yeah, I'm looking at this quality. It's so bad. There's no way that we don't dump here, guys. I'm honestly done if this doesn't dump. As if this doesn't flush here, I'm honestly done for words and I'm gonna hop off. Not even lying. If we don't take out this swing low right now, this thing's gonna stop me break even. There we go. I'm trailing. Trail it to that high. Trying to secure something, guys. I'm honestly too tired. I'd rather go out with 400 than to get stop break even. I'm literally just trying to go to the gym. Yes, I know these are evals, but doesn't matter. We just took out that low, so we should just flush here. Hey, you're actually trolling, bro. You're actually trolling. Bro, you're joking. You're joking, bro. You're joking. There's no way. Nah, I'm moving this back up here. I don't care, guys. There's no way that we don't flush. I shouldn't be trailing that tight. There's no way our TP gets edged, right? Thank the Lord. Thank the Lord Jesus Christ. Oh, bro. That was a roller coaster of emotions, but that's just how it goes, guys. That's just how trading is. So full TP hit. It's all good. I just need a few more days for these accounts to pass, and I'm gonna try and record all of these. You guys, this is kind of it's kind of what I go through. Not as bad. I think I'm just kind of shy, cause not shy, but just a bit different, cause I'm recording live. Probably be on my phone just if I was in this, but without recording. You guys get what I mean. All right, appreciate anybody who actually watched this. I'm probably gonna edit this video a lot, so probably you guys see it a day after. I'm gonna go hit the gym right now, and yeah, see you guys. Appreciate everybody who stayed in and joined it. Full TP bang. I guess no recap. That's it. That was a recap. See you guys.